Good day everyone. So today I will be demonstrating on how to manually score a bowling. So this is the example of bowling sheet. Now as you can notice down here, there's a symbol. So the X represents the strike, which means the player are able to knock down all the 10 pens here in the first ball. And then we have a diagonal sign here, so which means a spare. So the player are able to take down all the 10 pens in the second ball. And lastly, the horizontal sign here, which means the gutter ball. So the ball went to the gutter, and which means there's no points here. Now to further explain this, so this is the example this is the example scenario where the player able to knock down 5 pens on his first throw and then 3 pens on his second ball. And then we put this into the two small boxes here and then we add them, so we have a score of 8. Now for the second round, the player able to get 7 pens and then got a spare on the second ball, which means that he was able to take down the last 3 pens here. So 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Now in this case, the rule here is that when you need to wait for the first throw on the next frame before adding the spare. So we have 7 here. So 7 plus 3 here is equal to 10, and then plus 7, so is equal to 17. So and then plus 8, and so we have a total score of 25 points. Now the player then throw the next ball and are able to knock down 2 pens on his second ball. So you need to add so 7 plus 2 is equal to 9, and then add this to the second frame here. So we 25 plus 9, so the total score of 34. Now, on another throw, the player able to get a strike. So which means that the player able to knock down all the 10 pens. So therefore, we should put an X symbol here. Now, then we would wait for the next throw on the first ball. So he got a score of 9. So we need to add frame number 4 and 5. So that would be 19. So 10 plus 9. And then plus 34. So we have a total score of 53. Now, proceeding to the game on his 5th frame, so the player able to miss all the to knock down all the pens, so that makes no points here. So that's why we put an horizontal line here. Now we will add 9 plus 53 here, so that's equal to 62 points. Now on the next throw ball, he got consecutive strikes on frame number 6, 7, and 8. So we have a total score of 30 pens for the strikes. And then we will add 62 here. So that's a total score of 92 points for frame 6. Now for frame 7, so we will add only frame number 8 and 9 since in the second ball in frame number 9, he got a spare. So that will make us 29 since there are 2 strikes here and then 9 pens. Then we will add 29 to 92 here, so which we will have a total score of 121 points. Now, for frame number 7, so we have a strike here. So in the next row, he got 9 pens, and then spare on the second ball. So that makes 10 pens for the spare, and then we will add them to the next throw ball, which is a strike. So that makes 20 points. So plus the previous points in frame number 7, which is 121. So that makes 141 points. Then in frame number 9, since he got a spare, and then we throw in his next ball, which is got a strike. So that makes 20 pens for the spare and the strike. Then we will add the previous score, which is 141. So that's a total score of 161 points. And lastly, since there's a rule there that when a player got a strike on the last round, so he will get an extra ball. So in his first ball, he got 6 pens here and then 2 pens for the second ball. So that makes an 8. So 6 plus 2. Then we will add this to 10 pens here for the strike. So 2, 161. So that makes a total score of 179 points. So in this play, the player got a total score of 179 points. And that's how you score manually in bowling. Thank you guys. Bye.